Hello everyone. This August, we've completed 1 year of our FlexiCap equity fund. As you all know, this fund is designed on the concept of megatrends investing. Megatrends in last 1 year has moved from a new concept to a buzzword. Many investment experts are now talking about it. Google searches also show that in the last 1 year, this word megatrends is seeing a lot of searches. This is an important strategy for any long-term, truly active investor. Let me reiterate in this video why this is important and can be a core part of any investor. Heraclitus was a favorite poet of Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic. Heraclitus once said that one cannot step into the same river twice. Makes one think, right, about this statement. As I understand it, it is not about the place. This statement is about time. By the time you step into the same river again, the waters have changed and hence the rivers have changed. The water that you stepped into has actually moved on and hence nobody can step into the same river or the same waters twice. Change, like river, is constant. And for a long-term investor, it is important to take into account these changes while taking investment decisions. The long-term changes that impact businesses, companies, society are megatrends. And hence, megatrends investing helps the investor ride through these waters and reach their financial goals. So how does an investor identify which are the changes which will unfold over the longer term and how to benefit from them? Pascal Blaise once said, "He who doesn't know the way to the sea should use the river as a guide." So for investors, I would add that somebody who wants to benefit from long-term changes should use megatrends as a guide. What are these megatrends? Megatrends are long-term changes, and an investor using megatrends uncovers, identifies, and understands these changes. And then we identify which are the companies on the right side of these changes, which are the businesses that benefit from these changes. And that's where the potential lies. In megatrends investing, we first identify on a top-down basis which are the megatrends in different sectors and then which are the companies. What are the sources of these trends? Through our research, we have identified 6 sources of trends or megatrends. The first is technology changes, then regulatory or policy changes which are given by the government. Third comes economic changes, like something in terms of changes in per capita income and income levels in a country. Then comes natural or sustainability changes. There are also long-term changes coming from demographics and social changes which are about consumer and business behavior. We put that into an acronym called TRENDS, TRENDS, for easy memory. What is the process behind megatrends investing? First, we look at these 6 sources of megatrends and unpack which are the trends that they are demonstrating. If these are medium to long-term trends, we use them for analyzing the sectors and the companies they impact. So we overlay each of these trends on each of the sectors. Then we identify which are the businesses on the positive side of these trends and which are the businesses which are threatened by these trends. Of course, we shortlist the positive ones and create a universe to analyze further. This is where the top-down part of the research ends and the bottom-up stock picking or bottom-up research starts. Here we have to analyze the business management and valuation. But how do we do that? We take companies which are net beneficiaries of these trends and then see whether they can monetize these trends, whether they have the ability to monetize or use these trends. Then we move to financial analysis. Every growth company may require certain capex or capital investments. And then we have to analyze what kind of cash flows they will get. After financial analysis, we come to valuation. Valuation tells us 2 things. One, whether the trend has already been discounted by the crowd and people are already expecting it to do well. Second, it also tells us how much weightage to put in a particular company in the portfolio. So what does a megatrends portfolio look like? It is a portfolio focused on the long term. It is also diversified in terms of sectors, themes, and market cap. It is also diversified in terms of the research process. Here we use top-down research to identify the universe, and then bottom-up research to identify which companies can meet their potential. We also combine different styles. We screen for growth, then quality, and then determine the valuation. What an investor gets here is a truly long-term focused portfolio of companies that have strong tailwinds on their side for growth. This is a portfolio for a truly long-term active investor.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.